Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here. How are you all? Do let me know in the comment section below. Today's video is totally a hair care routine using only Patanjali hair care products. The products will be demonstrated on my hair. So if you are interested, make sure you see the whole video. So you can see how much shiny and glossy my hair is right now. I am using Patanjali products for almost last 7 or 8 months now. I'm really happy with the products that I am using. So I thought of this particular video where I can share up my original hair care routine with all of you, those who want a pocket friendly budget hair care routine, along with the thing that it should not contain that much amount of chemicals, it should be natural. So this is the first step that I am going to demonstrate. Here I am going to show you that how to settle all your baby hairs, because this is the problem that many girls do face. Baby hairs just comes out whenever you keep any kind of hairstyle or anything, and they disturb the whole hairstyle. So to settle this particular baby hairs, what you can do is to grab the Patanjali aloe vera gel. I am going to take 2 or 3 drops of the product. Then I am going to gently massage that in my hand before I apply that onto the baby hairs. I am going to just apply that on the baby hairs, not the whole hair. As a result, it will settle down the flow of the baby hair. The baby hairs won't come out. So any hairstyle you can try out. In market there are so many alternative products that you can try out for this thing. You can go for hair wicks. Even you can go for various kind of gels or hair setting sprays, but they contain a huge amount of chemical, so I don't like them that much. This is a way where you can just settle down all your baby hairs just using the Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is very good for your hair. You do not apply any kind of chemical in this process, so I do recommend using this rather than going for a hair setting spray just if you want to settle all your baby hairs. Now once that's done, we are now going to demonstrate how to get rid of all the split ends that girls do have. Now the girls, those who have really long hairs, they face this particular problem. The tips of their hair gets little bit drier compared to the other parts of the hair or compared to the mid length. Then they start getting the split ends. So if you are somebody who is right now having this particular problem, you can try out this. I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel just on the tips or in the ends so that the dryness can be removed. Now you can see how it's looking like. If you continue this for 2 or 3 months, you will definitely get rid of all your split ends. Now these are the 2 particular oils that I do use for my hair care. This is Patanjali Amla hair oil and this is Patanjali Kesh Kanti Tel. These are the 2 oils that right now I am using. So this is the product which comes for 100 ml for 40 rupees in Indian currency. This oil is really nice because the fragrance is really less compared to any other oil, because mostly I do not like oiling my hair because of the fact that it smells a lot and it becomes too much sticky once I apply a oil. This oil is really nice for that case because this is a very lightweight oil and is really light in fragrance. So if you are somebody who have the same kind of problem that I do face, then you can definitely go out for this particular oil. This is not at all sticky, it's very lightweight. And now I am going to demonstrate how do I oil my hair using this particular product. Now in the right section of my hair, I am going to apply this particular oil. I am going to gently massage the oil on the scalp, because if you massage the oil in your scalp, you stimulate the blood circulation. As a result, the follicles becomes much more active. Because the follicles becomes much more active, in return you will have much longer hairs because the hair growth will be stimulated and the oil secreting glands in your scalp will be stimulated, which will maintain the hair growth and hair texture. So this is a very important step. Just oiling your hair is not enough. You need to massage your scalp with the oil so that you can get the best out of it. Now you can see I am applying the oil throughout the whole length of the hair so that my hair gets hydrated. And now I'm going to tie up my hair because I don't want the oil to be all over my bed once I go for sleep. So this is what I do. It's an optional step. If you feel like, you can tie up your hair. If you don't feel like, you can leave out. I do oil before going to bed, and in the next day morning I do wash my hair. But if you're somebody who is not that much into oiling, then you can just keep the oil for 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, then you can wash it off. Now once that's done, we are going to move for the second demonstration. For the second demonstration, I am using this particular oil. This is Patanjali Kesh Kanti Tel, which is 120 ml of product for 140 rupees. The cap is really nice because it's very tight, and if you keep it in a bended position also, it won't come out. This oil is little bit much more stickier compared to the last oil I have demonstrated. This color is a little bit yellowish, but it's not that sticky. It's little bit stickier compared to the last product. That's it. Now I am going to apply the whole oil on my head. The fragrance is also a combination of various kind of oils, because here if you see at the constituents of the oil, you can find out that they have used more than 8 or 9 varieties of oil. Again, I am going to massage the whole thing on the scalp. Again, what I have done for the last section of hair, same everything is going to be repeated. Patanjali have almond hair oil as well, which is 100 ml of product for 50 rupees. Other than that, they have coconut hair oil, that is 210 gram of product for 65 rupees. If you are somebody who is really interested, you can check out the description box. All the other products that Patanjali do have, I am going to list out everything in the description box. You can check out the prices and the quantities that comes with the product. So these are the particular products that I do really like. So you can try out this. These are the best what I feel like. Now again, every product and its utility based, or everything depends upon how or what texture of hair do you have. So this is what really suits for me. It may suit for you or may not suit for you, but hair oiling is something that is universal, I feel, and that really suits for almost everyone. You can oil your hair how I have done. These are the oils that are really good. So once I have completely oiled my hair, I am going to tie up this particular section as well. I'm going to just simply tie up. I'm not combing. So this is coconut hair wash from Patanjali, which is 150 ml of product for 95 rupees. This product is really amazing because I am using this for last almost 2 months. Now I am addicted to this product. It's very mild and gentle. It does not foam that much. It makes your hair too much soft and nourished. So if you are interested, you can definitely go and buy this. Now this is the alternative that sometime I do use. So this is Patanjali Kesh Kanti Aloe Vera Hair Cleanser, which is for 75 rupees. You can see I have completed almost half of the product. Like I am using this for last 3 weeks almost. This product is also really nice and gentle. I do like these two products from Patanjali because these are very mild and gentle, and they are even mild compared to the other shampoos that Patanjali do have. Hence I recommend these two products particularly more than other shampoos that Patanjali do have. If you are somebody who have really oily scalp, then you can try out the other products. This is the hair conditioner that I am using right now. This is Patanjali Zaitun and Badam conditioner, or the other name for that is the olive almond hair conditioner, which is 100 gram of product for 60 rupees. Other than that, Patanjali have this varieties of shampoos. These are actually the sample packets, which is almost 1 for 2 rupees to 3 rupees depending upon what exactly you are grabbing. They do have the bigger packets, but what is my suggestion that you can try out this sample packets. If something suits for you, then you can go and grab that individual bottle of product, which is almost like 75 to 90 rupees. It varies along with the product. You can check out the description box below if you are really interested about any individual product. I guess the name and the quantity along with the prices will be written down there. So once I talk about this particular
shampoos, then I must say one thing, that out of this 4 shampoos, what I liked the best is the Milk Protein shampoo from Patanjali, because this is again really mild and gentle compared to the other shampoos. I do not like shampoos those who really dry up my scalp and my hair. So this is a product that I do really like. It comes almost for 95 rupees in a bottle. So if you are interested, you can check out. If you have really oily scalp, then you can go out and try other shampoos from Patanjali.
Thank you everyone for watching this particular video. Like, share and comment. Do let me know if you have any kind of queries. If you want to contact me, my email ID will be in the description box below. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Hope you are doing well.